In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card and a memory card on a V8 smartwatch. Okay, so I'm going to pull the back off. Take out the battery. Okay, right here is the SIM card slot. So just push this back and then lift it up. I'll put the SIM card in like so. Close the door and just press down and push to the left, and now it's locked into place. So that's how you install the SIM card. Now I'm going to install a memory card. Now this watch uses a micro SD card, so just insert it in like so. And just push it in. And there you go. That is how to install the micro SD card. So I'm going to put the battery back in. Put back the back cover. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so there you go. That is how to install a SIM card and a memory card on a V8 smartwatch. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.